DNA profiling is an incredible scientific tool that has revolutionized fields ranging from forensic science to genealogy. But what exactly is DNA profiling? And how has it become such a crucial part of modern science? Let's start with the basics. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule that carries all the genetic instructions used in the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms. Imagine it as a detailed blueprint that outlines everything about us: our eye color, hair type, and even how our bodies function. DNA profiling works by focusing on specific regions of our DNA that are highly variable among individuals. These regions, called short tandem repeats, or STRs, are sequences of DNA that repeat at different lengths in different people. By analyzing these STRs, scientists can create a DNA profile that is nearly unique to each person, much like a fingerprint. One of the most widely recognized uses of DNA profiling is in forensic science. When a crime is committed, investigators often find biological evidence at the scene, like blood, hair, or skin cells. By extracting DNA from this evidence and comparing it to the DNA of a suspect, forensic scientists can determine whether the suspect was present at the crime scene. This method has solved countless crimes that might have otherwise remained mysteries. But the power of DNA profiling doesn't stop at solving crimes. It's also a vital tool in the field of genealogy. Companies like 23andMe and Ancestry DNA use DNA profiling to help people trace their ancestry and discover long-lost relatives. By comparing your DNA with millions of other samples, these services can provide insights into your family history that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Another fascinating application of DNA profiling is in wildlife conservation. Scientists use DNA from hair, skin, or even droppings to track and study endangered species. By understanding the genetic diversity within a population, conservationists can make more informed decisions about how to protect species from extinction. And here's an interesting fact. The first time DNA profiling was used in a criminal case was in 1986 in the UK. A young girl was tragically murdered, and the police had a suspect but no solid evidence. By using DNA profiling, they were able to clear the innocent suspect and identify the real perpetrator, leading to his conviction. This landmark case demonstrated the power of DNA profiling and opened the door for its widespread use in criminal investigations. But DNA profiling isn't without its challenges and ethical questions. For example, there's the issue of privacy. When you submit your DNA to a company for testing, that data could potentially be accessed by others, including law enforcement agencies. This raises important questions about how DNA data should be stored and who should have access to it. Moreover, DNA profiling can sometimes lead to complicated legal and moral dilemmas. For instance, what happens when DNA evidence suggests a different outcome in a case that's already been closed? Or how do we handle situations where DNA profiles are similar, but not identical, leading to potential false positives? Despite these challenges, the benefits of DNA profiling are immense. It has become a cornerstone in fields like forensic science, genealogy, and conservation, offering insights and solutions that were previously unimaginable. Now, let's pause for a moment and reflect. How do you think DNA profiling could be used in the future? Could it become a part of routine medical checkups? Or perhaps even play a role in predicting and preventing diseases before they occur? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, so feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into DNA profiling and want to explore more academic topics in English, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, so don't miss out.